back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Alright, so today want to do a very nice chord progression that I loved so much. I love this chord progression so much, and it is actually the flat 5-7-3-6 in music. Let's do this song now. I love this family of God, so closely entered into one. Then that part, that they have taken me. You could have done that. They have fought, they fight for 3-6. I'm part of 2-5. So you could have done that. That's more or less like beginner and then pre-intermediate. But if you've gotten my intermediate piano course, you'll be learning stuff like this up there. My advanced piano course also. So you'll be learning that. Okay, you can actually do they have taken me. Right. Right. So if you've gotten my courses, piano courses, you notice that. So I want to show you the chords for that in the key of C sharp. So, but before that, I want to also introduce to you my intermediate piano course. You might see the flyer on the screen. My advanced piano course, you see the flyer on the screen also. These courses are available for you, and then the prices are very affordable also. The intermediate course is $4,000 for people in Nigeria and $12 for people abroad. And then the advanced person code is $5,000 for people in Nigeria and then $15 for people abroad. So you should get your copy. How to get your copy, just check the comment section, or you can check my seller store. The link is always somewhere around the channel, about page of the channel, so you see my store link, something. Or check the community of this channel, you see these details also there. Alright, God bless you. Okay, so let's go. Since I've shown you where to actually use this chord, so let me play one more time. Right, so that's it. So from your 4, we have a your 4. Then so to have that melody line, you do 6, 7, 1. So what am I playing here? So here on my left hand, I have a G half diminished, which is a G, B flat, and D flat. Then on my right hand, I have a E diminished 7 chord, but without the 2. Second to the top, what's it called, melody. So we have on the left, so on the right you have a E, G, and then D flat. Right, then the next chord on the left you have a C7, which is C, G, and B flat. Then so to voice the melody again, we still have a E half diminished here, then adding the melody line, which is the 7. That's a C to B flat. Then your 3 now. Then so the next chord is your 3 on your left. 3, 5, 7. Then 2 and 5 on the left hand. Right. So then to your 6. So then, of course, your 2, your 6, 2, 5. So let me go again. They have taken me into their answer. I'm so glad to. So you should get my advanced piano course, intermediate piano course. Let me do that one more time.